Hello students, I am making this video on the topic metric measure. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss how to take measurement of any materials. When you go to shop, okay, either you go to a cloth shop to purchase few meters of cloth. What you say, uncle, you give me 1 meter of clothes. You say, uncle, give 50 centimeter clothes. Similarly, when you go to a grocery shop, then what you say? You say, give me 2 kg rice, give me 3 kg rice. Similarly, from milkman you ask for 1 liter milk, 2 liter milk. I mean to say, for different materials, for different substance, there is a different unit of measurement. This unit is a standard unit. It is fixed. Either you purchase 1 liter milk in Assam or in other part of our country or in the world, it will be always fixed. So it is a standard unit. Okay, if you want to purchase anything in a big quantity, then there is a bigger unit is there. If you want to purchase anything in a small quantity, then a smaller unit is there. Suppose you want 50 gram elaichi, cardamom, then what you say, 50 gram you give me. When you go to shop, you will not tell, uncle, give me 50 gram rice. You will say what? Give me 5 kg. So for this, different measurement is there. Okay, different shopkeeper will use different weight. Understand? Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about bigger and a smaller unit of measurement and how to convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit or a smaller unit into a bigger unit. For example, when we say 1 meter, convert 1 meter into centimeter, then it will be 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. Similarly, 1 kg means kilogram. K means kilo and G means gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so gram is a smaller unit and kg is a bigger unit. Suppose if you want to take measurement, if you want to go a school from your home, then what will tell? If anybody asks, how far is your school from your residence? You say 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. Why you will use kilometer? Because the distance is very big and it cannot be measured in meters. So you use the term kilometer. Okay, and I will not teach this chapter in the live Zoom class. Still, if you have any problem, you can send me, you can drop a message in the Google Classroom regarding any questions on these chapters. I will explain, but I will not explain in the live class, in the Zoom class. Okay, so try to understand. Here in page number 86, here you see meter, this decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So when you move from right side, you are getting what? You are getting a bigger unit. When you move to left side, you are getting a smaller. Means meter, decimeter is a smaller unit, centimeter is more smaller, and millimeter is the smallest one. So this millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, they are arranged in the ascending order. Okay, so here the bigger unit is kilometer, hectometer. When you write kilometer in short, how to write km, hectometer hm. Be careful while writing h. Don't use the capital letter. Use a small letter hm, hectometer. Deca, da. Da means decameter. Meter, a small m. Decimeter, dm. Remember, decameter and decimeter both starts with capital letter D, but for decameter we write DA, decameter, and for decimeter we write DM. So be careful while writing. If you do any mistakes, then in exam or in any test you lose the mark. Centimeter, cm, millimeter, mm. So remember, here it is given meter. It is given meter. So 1 meter, when you want to convert 1 meter, okay, so 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Here kilometer is bigger unit and meter is the smaller unit. So how many times you have to go? 1, 2, 3. That's why it is 1000 meter. Hectometer, how many times? 1, 2, so 100 meter. So when you move from, okay, when you convert bigger unit into a smaller unit, then you have to multiply. Kilometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller. That's why you multiply. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. 1 hectometer, 100 meter. 1 decameter, 10 meter. 1 decimeter, decimeter is a decimeter is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So here, which is greater? Decimeter is greater or meter? It is meter is greater. Okay. So when you convert meter into decimeter, you are not supposed to multiply. 1 by 10 means it is divide 1 by 10. Similarly, centimeter. How many times? You have to move left side 2 times. That's why it is 1 by 100. 1 by 1000. Okay. When it is gram, okay, if you purchase any grocery item, then you don't say kilometer, you say kilogram, kg, hectogram, hg, decagram, dag, okay, gram, g, decigram, dg, centigram, cg, milligram, mg. Okay. So 1 kilogram, 1000 gram, 1 hectogram, 100 gram, 1 decagram, 10 grams. So when you convert gram into decigram, okay, gram into decigram, then what? Gram into decigram. The decigram is a smaller, so you have to multiply 10. If anybody asks 1 gram is equal to how much, you will tell 10. But when you have to convert decigram into gram, remember decigram is a smaller unit and gram is a bigger unit. So that time you have to tell 1 by 10. It will be divided. When you convert centigram into gram, you have to divide. Centigram into gram, you have to divide by 100. But when you have to convert gram into centigram, then you have to multiply. Because gram is a bigger unit and centigram is a smaller unit. So when you convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, remember you have to multiply. But when you convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, then you have to divide. Similarly, for measuring any fluid, when I say fluid means it may be liquid water, it may be water, it may be milk, oil, kerosene, petrol, diesel, then we say liter. Okay, in 1 liter, 1 kiloliter, how many liters? 1000. 1 hectoliter, 100. 1 decaliter, 10. Okay, so when you convert 1 deciliter into liter, then it will become 1 by 10. So it is my humble request, please you learn this one by heart. Okay, learn by heart. And one thing you keep in mind, when you have to convert, first you remember this given a millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, they are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order, all you know, smaller to bigger. So when you convert the bigger one unit into a smaller, you have to multiply, remember. And when you convert a smaller unit into bigger, then it will, you have to divide. Like if anybody say 1 rupee, how many paise? You will tell 100 paise. Okay. And when you say in 50 paise, how many rupee? The 50 by 100. 50 by 100, and it will become half rupee. I hope you will have understood. Look here, also it is written when you have to convert, okay, centi, look, centi to milli, you have to multiply. Deci to centi, multiply. Why multiply? Because deci is a bigger and centi is a smaller. Okay. Basic unit is meter, gram and liter. So here also when you have to convert deca into meter, then you have to multiply. So suppose 1 kilogram you have to convert into gram. The kilogram is bigger, so how many times? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means 3 times, so 1000, so it will become 1000. You have to multiply by 1000. Okay. Like here given example, convert 3.6 hectameter into meter. So here meter is a bigger, is a smaller unit, and hectameter is a bigger unit. So look here also given, no, meter is a smaller and hectameter is a bigger. So you have to convert hectameter into meter. So bigger unit into a smaller unit. So look here given, no, hectameter. 1 hectameter 100 meter. So 3.6 you have to multiply by 100. 3.6, and already I have explained you, I have taught you how to do multiplication. Okay, decimal multiplication, decimal divide, decimal addition, subtraction, it has been already discussed. So 3.6 into 100, it will become 3600, but after 1 digit decimal will come, it will become 360 meter. Okay. Number B, 2.5 kilometer into decimeter. Kilometer is bigger and decimeter is smaller. In 1 kilometer there is 10,000 decimeter. When you multiply, you will get 25,000 decimeter. Small dm, decimeter. When it is dam, then it will be decameter. Okay. In this way it has been converted. Here also hectagram. Look, if this one is mixed, it is not 6 hectagram only, it is 6 hectagram 30 decigram. Hectagram is also there and decigram is also there, and you have to convert into deci. So hectagram is a bigger unit and decigram is a smaller unit. So you have to multiply. How many times multiply? You have to look here, you have to learn here. Look, gram into hectare. So you see 1 hectagram 100 gram. So you have to multiply 1 6 hectagram into decigram. So hectagram is, look here, hectagram is here and decigram is here. So how many times? 1 2 3, means it should be multiplied by 1000. So once you multiply 6 with 1000, 6 hectagram with 1000, it will convert into decigram, and this is already 30 decigram. So no need to disturb, you write only 30 gram. So 6 into 1000, 6000 plus 30, 6030 decigram. So in this way it has been converted. I hope you all have understood. And remember, when you convert lower unit into higher, as I say, you have to divide. Please learn all these things. Now I will solve my practice time 1, my practice time 2. Okay, few questions I will solve and remaining question you do by yourself. Any problem you ask me, I will help you. Okay, any doubt you have every right to ask the question. Thank you.